Restoration of peeler to get more heavy look with new shade to it with proper elements. This guy work with coloring inside to the peeler parts. Raw elements would be removed and new parts for body becomes more interesting. Good 1 minute. Subscribe to like her attitude. Now the guy making more engaging style for every use at a proper maintain the cover and the other equipments. The workers said to get 3 crore as reward. Simple way the patoto peeler more attractive and effective working mechanism that connects with new raw material. Guys deserves 1 minute. Please subscribe to get happy gift to nice pickup one. You can try this potato peeler. You should easy way to minimize time for use. Have a good day guys.